What's going on, YouTube? Y'all, we back with another video. Right now, man, we on the way to the dealership, bro. I gotta go get an oil change. I'm way overdue, bro. Way overdue. I'm shocked that this bitch ain't lock up yet and nothing, but yeah, man. Look, we pulling up to the dealership. I'm gonna see what they got out here. Get y'all little footage or whatever, whatnot. But let's see what they talking about with this oil change. I need an oil change bad. Y'all stick by. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button, like, and comment, man. We're at the dealership, man. They talking about oil change. I'm finna get the oil change, and they told me to get a fuel clean system or some shit. I don't know, a fuel cleaner, I don't know. Just because how many miles I got or whatever, but shit, it was only $20-something, so I go ahead and let them add that on there. But y'all see the Hellcat over there? Hellcat, I'm gonna go over there and show y'all the Hellcat. But yeah, let me finna walk over here, see what they got over here. Look like they ain't got shit. They done sold everything. They got a green Scat in there. Inside. I think they got some out here too. Hold on, let me pick up the camera whenever I get by this car right quick. They got a white Scat, man. Look just like mine. This is exactly how my shit came. Got a white one right here. Matt Bowers in Baton Rouge. Off of Airline. Show y'all these. Oh shit, this bitch basic. I ain't got nothing in there. No lock. Man, Dodge need to stop putting them fucking cars on 245, man. Oh, that bitch got the red. That bitch already come with the red eye spoiler. I just had to add that on mine. Come with the red eye spoiler, I guess. That's just how they come now. They got a green one right here, man. Fresh out the fucking truck. Oh, they got some TRXs too. Got a brown one and a yellow one. I'm not a fan of this color though. That green just don't sit right. That bitch. Let me see how much they. Ooh, they want 51 for a base model too. Hey, out they mind. They want 51 for that bitch, man. They ain't even got shit out here. The trucks and shit. Got them TRXs over there, but I think somebody just brought them bitches. Somebody probably brought them if they over there. They got a Jeep over there. Jeep ain't got shit. The Jeep probably ain't even got no track offs or nothing over there. I see straight Jeep, so that shit bullshit too. I go back here by this Hellcat, see they got a Hellcat. You know. Let's go ahead and see what they on around chill. Yeah, they got a wide body red eye Charger. I think this for somebody though. Red eye bitch. Ooh, that bitch nasty. Got that pink strip on the bottom of that bitch. Got this Hellcat over here. Hellcat so hard. Yeah, I'm finna get one of them real soon, man. I'm finna get one of them real soon. So I see the Hellcat next to my shit, boy. I ain't lying, you can mistake my shit for a Hellcat, yeah. Shit, I gotta get that Charger. I'm finna get that Charger Hellcat, the 5 spokes, just like that. Y'all stay tuned for that. Looking for me a Hellcat, man. I can't find none, but whenever I do find one, I'm snatching it up, man. I got 2 TRXs right here, man. I think somebody just came and brought these bitches though. This brown, the sickest, boy. Look, ooh, boy. If I ever get a truck, it'll have to be one of them TRXs. That bitch is nice. That bitch nice as a motherfucker. But yeah, man, I ain't really got too much out here, bro. Y'all know Baton Rouge ain't got shit. That bitch sounds so mean. That bitch the sickest. Well, you don't realize how raw your shit is until somebody else in your shit. That bitch so hard. But I still gotta get the Hellcat. Look at this wide body. Ooh, that That bitch is sick as, but please, I ain't finna motherfucker pay that much money on no motherfucking car. I go and go get me a house. Fuck no. What that is? I got a C8. No, how they hiding the C8 back here, man? Somebody done traded the C8 in. He did the right thing. Got rid of this vet. Got rid of this vet to get a Mopar. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, that bitch got the tips on it. Everything. Man, he got that bitch right. That bitch like a little Batmobile. I'm not a fan of these cars, though. This bitch don't really impress me. They got a Stinger right here, 2020 Stinger. And it look like they got a, what's this? Oh, that's a V6 right there. They got this Stinger right here. This bitch got, I know this bitch loud. Going on YouTube, y'all, we're back with another video. Coming with back-to-back bangers for y'all boys, but right now, y'all, we just floating the city right now. We might go pass by the dealership and look at some cars and shit, but right now we go do. Y'all go follow him, y'all go subscribe to his channel. Ooh, these fucking roads bad as a bitch. $5.99.
Stupid ass.
Ain't no free air over here.
So I clean the fuck off.
I need me a charger, bro. It's a box on wheels right here. Where everybody at? I don't see nobody working. There you go. Look at him. Look like Ray Charles.
Talking bullshit. So fast.
No, that's the real air pump.
It was 30 to 35.
I need to get my tire sensor too.
I bought a rim from, I don't know who. Oh, go ahead and sit up. Let me turn my car around.
Alright. Want me to back up? $275. What? Oh shit! Gotta look. Firebird. Man, y'all let me know what should I do next to the car, man. I'm thinking about doing a forged carbon, that gloss forged carbon on a spoiler, and the hood. I don't know yet though. I might fuck with it or something. I might wrap something. Yeah, I don't know what we got going on today, bro. BR boring as a bitch. They ain't got shit out here. I got that bitch in sport mode. Look at that bitch be driving crazy, all this fucking traffic. Guess he going to Canes. If y'all watching to this point, make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. We ain't got shit going on right now though, y'all, but we gonna find something to get into. pull up to the gas. Ooh, the fucking police here. Pull up to the gas station, man. Doofing trade cars and shit. Stop and get some gas right quick. Oh. I don't know nothing about this. That's that blue tip, baby. Me, we did the same shit. Oh. Police right there.
That blue pump, look, he's doing it too.
Blue pump.
I remember them days.
Yes, I remember them days. That blue pump retarded.
My car got down.
You know what that blue pump do?
Then I got some shit done that they don't like.
Uh-huh.
Damn, that's Tyler job, man. I ain't even driving. I can mix that with 93.
Yeah.
I'm tapping into that tomorrow.
Tap in with that.
Private sessions with Go Do. You hear me on Black Samurai shit.
Yeah.
Oh, interview, you heard?
Oh, interview, you heard?
Nigga said, fuck them boys over there in that car and all.
Fuck them. Yeah, I'm in that Charger. Put that bitch in. Put that bitch in sport mode. Looking at that boy got the SRT steering wheel. I'm playing with him. Ooh, that be like a Hellcat. Got more torque, man. I knew I was tripping, man. The Chargers got way more torque than the Challengers. That's crazy. We in them bitches got the Hellcat wide body behind us right now.
Chasing a mill.